Hello and welcome back to Stef le Chef. Today I'm going to show you and share with you my favorite summer salad. It is based with king prawns and British strawberry with a little mixed leaf. Excellent for lunch if you're watching Wimbledon or Royal Ascot Week. So let's do it. So to make this lovely salad, I've got some juicy king prawns here. I've got some British strawberry and I've got some mixed leaves, and make sure you get in the mixed leaves some curly lettuce because it's quite bitter and it goes very well with that. Extra virgin lemon juice, black pepper, crystal sea salt, and my friend here Greek basil. Okay, let's put it together. So first goes my mixed leaves. There we are. The bowl, arrange like so. Next I'm gonna cut my strawberry. Please do this, not this. All right, because look at the waste of strawberry. Okay, if you see what I mean. So a few strawberries, cut them in half. Goes around the salad. Like I said, this is beautiful summertime. That's all I eat. That's all I eat in the garden. You prawns, you can either cut them in half or leave them whole, which I'm going to do today. So next, olive oil. Don't be shy. Little lemon juice, little salt, little black pepper. Don't be shy on the black pepper, and some Greek basil, just to make it pretty and tasty. So there you have it, Stef le Chef favorite summer salad. 5 minutes to put together, but beautiful and tasty. Please let me know what you think on the comments. To go with that, a little ciabatta just came out of the oven, and to go with that, we need a glass of wine. What has he got for me today? What is it? Chardonnay today. Beautiful. So let's tuck in. Thank you very much for watching. Please share and like, that'll be ace, and see you soon on Stef le Chef for another recipe. Thank you. Bon appétit. Oh, I love this.